Wow! Look at these colorful toy cars!
Which one will win today's BIG race?
Can you guess? Ready, set, G-O!
Here comes Red Racer! He is super fast! I'm ready to zoom! Here comes Blue Speedster!
I never give up!
I love racing! Friends, which car do you like? Red? Blue? Yellow? Say it out loud. Everyone is ready!
3, 2, 2, 1, 1, go!
Zoom! Beep, beep! Oh no! I can do it!
Go!
Go! Go!
Ooh! Ooh! Obstacle 2, Bige Bridge.
Careful! Drive slowly!
Go, cars, go! You made it across the Rainbow Bridge.
We did it! The finish line is close. Faster!
Ah!
2, 1!
Great job! You're the winner!
Thank you, friends! Let's race again soon!
In a race, having fun and being kind is more important than winning.
Yahoo!